This is the NG2000i cell phone detector with white noise generator from SpyGadgets.com. At $285, this is a DIY bug detector. This pocket-sized detector covers GSM, CDMA, WCDMA, 3G, and Bluetooth signals. Designed to be portable and used quickly to protect from cellular-based spy devices, this device will alert you of an existing or new cellular signal that becomes active in your immediate area. The built-in noise generator will help protect you from hidden recorders and wireless microphones. Just turn it on, keep it on the table to mask your voice, and alert you of a possible threat. The NG2000i cell phone detector with white noise generator from SpyGadgets.com.